Win one of these 2 gift boxes for your donation. Verba School, together with the charity organization Spilka Poruch, will give away 2 gift boxes to random people who will donate from $25 to support the rescue center from Mykolaiv. At the moment when we will reach $1,000 of donations in general. Just recently I told you a little bit about this rescue center in my YouTube video about animal sounds and dog commands, and today I want to remind you about this fundraising because it is very important for us to support this rescue center that is really waiting right now for being rebuilt and to provide home to those animals that were already rescued from human cruelty or who suffered from the war actions. Everyone who has already donated to this project or will donate in the future will participate in this giveaway. I remind you that you can send your donations to this PayPal account, and right now we'll show you what is inside of our gift boxes.
This Ukrainian box will be a gift for your donation.
So, if you would like to try to win one of these 2 gift boxes, just take part in our fundraising. Donate 25 or more dollars to this PayPal account, and as soon as we reach $1,000, we will randomly pick 2 winners. So, good luck to you, and thank you for your kindness.